noises are loud and some are quiet but meaningful. Welcome to my channel. This is Tahimik na Biyahe in Between. This time, it's around 4 a.m. in the morning and supposed to be kapag international flight, so dapat may allowance tayo at least a couple of hours para sure na hindi tayo maiiwan ng flight natin. And since maaga tayong dumating ng airport, so may time pa tayo para makapag-lounge, and this is one of the privilege ng credit card holder. So sometimes may mga pre-passes tayo for lounge, so buffet, and also you can stay na medyo comfortable naman yung mga chairs. And after ilang minutes, nakakain na tayo, so diretso na tayo sa boarding gate natin para naman ready na tayo to fly. Let's go!
Daily passengers. For the rest of the passengers can remain seated within the holding area gate number 2 and wait for your room number to be called.
Actually, this flight, napakabilis lang. Parang umalis kami ng like around 8:30, then nakarating kami ng 10-ish. So, here we go! So, we are now arrived here in Hong Kong Airport. And by this time, bago tayo makarating sa immigration, kailangan muna natin mag-train. So, imagine kung gaano kalaki yung airport nila. So, right now, since medyo maaga pa, we're going to outlet mall muna para mag-iwan ng maleta dun kasi may mga locker na pwedeng mapag-iwanan. And since hapon pa naman yung check-in natin sa hotel, para makaproceed na rin tayo to our first activity this morning, which is the Ngong Village. So, let's go! And yes, bago tayo makarating sa Ngong Village, so meron dalawang option. It's either cable car or bus. So we choose the cable car kasi syempre for the experience as well, na misa lang naman tayo nandito. Though medyo pricey siya, but then super worth it naman nung experience, and the view is so priceless. Konting kwento lang, mga Pinoy din pala yung nakasabay natin dito sa cable car, and one of the most amazing factor ng pagsakay ng cable car, parang bibihira sa mga international tourist spots na merong mga announcement na Tagalog. To be honest, na-amaze ako dito, and at the same time, siguro sobrang dami din talagang Pinoy na pumupunta, kaya siguro naglagay na rin sila ng announcement na Tagalog. After natin makababa sa cable car, isa din sa mga dinadayo nila dito aside sa mismong village ng Ngongping ay ang mga temple, and at the same time ang Buddha sa taas ng bundok na ating lalakarin. Let's go! I was being reminded sa hagdan na to nung sa Garin Farm sa Iloilo. Napakataas din ang hagdan na yon, kaya lang ang pinagkaiba doon para may option ka na sumakay ng golf cart if hindi mo kaya siyang lakarin, pero this time the only option you had is just to walk pataas and also pababa. So guys, we're here in cable car, Ngong Village. So galing na tayo sa Buddha, UNC. So ngayon ko, pabalik na tayo sa outlets. And now, sakay na tayo sa train papunta ng ating hotel, and nakuha na rin natin yung mga luggage natin. So napaka-convenient lang talaga ng mga transportation dito, and hindi mahal. All you have to do is to tap your, actually yung gamit namin is GoTime, so napakalaking bagay niya. So let's go. Okay. Here's the bathroom. And here's the little mirror. And the view! Yes! Okay, that's it for today. And right now, medyo madilim na nung lumabas tayo. So, hanap naman muna tayo ng makakain for tonight, for our dinner. Let's go! And since gabi na, dito kami napadpad sa McNoodles. So, tara, kain po tayo. After natin mag-dinner sa McNoodles, so walkable naman na siya papunta sa Hong Kong Avenue stores. So susulitin natin yung gabi and then let's see what happens next. Yes, and welcome to our day 2 for our Hong Kong trip for today. So today our agenda is only just to walk before tayo mag-check out sa mga nearby city dito sa pinag-check-in na natin na hotel. So today, let's start our day to here in Kennedy Town. So di naman tayo mahirap mag-travel here kasi napaka-convenient ng transportation, which is yung mga trains nila. So yung gamit namin is like go time lang for tapping and good to go. So there you go. One of the reason kaya talagang gustong-gusto ko yung mga travel and experiencing different location is like marami kang ma-observe surrounds you na bago sa paningin and at the same time, wala. Gusto mo lang talaga i-enjoy yung moment na marami kang na-experience na bago. And this time, pabalik na tayo ng hotel para mag-check out and also para makapagpalit na rin tayo ng clothes dahil papunta na tayo ngayon sa main destination of our trip, which is the Disneyland.
往台灣列車即將到。
And by this time, papunta na tayo sa Sunny Bay, which is yung station na dadaanan ng train papunta ng Disneyland. So, I heard itong train na to ay designed specifically for Disneyland tourists. So, we're going into our hotel. So, ayan, mag-antay lang tayo ng shuttle papunta sa Hong Kong Disneyland Explorer Hotel. So, ayan, antay lang tayo ng shuttle. Nakasakay na tayo sa ating shuttle papunta sa hotel. So, Mas 12 na. So, ang check-in time natin is like around 2 o'clock pa naman. So, we decided na pumunta na agad ng Disneyland para mas masulit natin yung araw natin for today. We're now inside Disneyland. And by this time, actually talagang ine-enjoy ko muna yung mga rides bago ako mag-video. So, yung iba hindi ko na na-videohan actually kasi alam mo yun, gusto ko lang din i-enjoy yung moment. Sarap lang bumalik sa pagkabata totally. And also, today is Monday and talagang napakaraming tao
and hindi namin in-expect to. Though malamig pa rin naman yung weather, kaya comfy pa din sa mga pila. And yes, super worth it.
Hi!
And yes, dito na po tayo inabot ng gabi sa loob mismo ng Disneyland Park since malapit lang naman yung hotel and may shuttle naman. And also, you can buy food na rin here sa loob ng Disneyland. Though medyo pricey lang talaga siya. And don't forget to bring your own bottle kasi maraming potable naman na pwedeng pag-refillan ng water inside and it's free. And also, hindi natin palalagpasin doon sa Oriental Park yung pagpunta natin sa Disneyland, which is the fireworks. So right after ng mga ganap natin for the whole day, balik muna tayo sa hotel dahil pagod na talaga ang katabang lupa natin. Ayun guys, good evening. So nag-transfer tayo ng hotel ngayon here in Disneyland mismo sa may Travelers Hotel. So waiting lang tayo para makapag-check-in. Ayan, so ito. Para malapit-lapit na. Ayan. Ayan. So there you go. Here's our room for today. Yes, we have two bed. And here's also our restroom, and then yeah. Let's see our view. We also have a mirror here. Very spacious. Let's see. And that will be our dito. Di na talaga kaya. Pagod na. So, see you tomorrow. So, good morning everyone. So, inagahan natin ang pagising to also experience the Bay Area. Siyempre, ito yung pinakaharap na view and on my back, ito yung hotel namin. So, itong area daw na to yung nagko-connect between do sa 3 resort na meron sa Disneyland. So, I will show you kung ano yan. Okay. This one, ito naman yung backyard ni Hollywood Hotel. So, ito yung pinakaunang hotel na dadaanan kapag pumasok ka na ng resort side ni Disneyland. Ito naman yung garden side ng original Disneyland. So, pinakauna siya na itinayo among the three. Now, we're going back to our hotel na and we decided na itry yung buffet ng Traveler's Lodge. So, let's see what we have there. And yun, after natin mabusog at makakain sa buffet ni Traveler's Lodge, so bumalik na agad tayo ngayon, agad-agad dito sa Disneyland Park. So isa sa mga perks pala ng pagstay sa mismong hotel nila ay meron tayong VIP pass sa gate. Pero sa gate lang, hindi sa mga rides. So yun lang. For the whole day ng pagstay ko dito, I just realized na hindi pala tungkol sa rides o sa pictures. It's about letting yourself enjoy the moment without rushing. You know, kahit saglit lang, pwede ka palang huminto, tumingin ka sa paligid, at yun, maging present ka lang. So sa gitna ng ingay and colorful na environment, may mga tahimik na sandali na you know, ikaw lang, and that's enough. And today, tatapusin ulit natin ang araw na ito sa isang napakagandang fireworks.